Welcome to a quick guide on how to disable SMS notifications for Reels on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in if you're not already logged in. You'll want to be on the main feed page so you can access all the menu options easily. Next, look to the very top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This opens a small drop-down menu with quick access to your account settings and privacy options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. It expands to show more choices, and there you'll find a clear path to adjust your notification preferences. Click Settings to dive deeper into your account settings. You'll see a wide range of categories on the left side. This is where Facebook organizes all the different controls you can customize. Now, choose Notifications from the list. This section is where Facebook groups notifications by type and channel, so you can tailor how you're alerted across the platform. In the notification settings, scroll to the Reels section. Here you'll find the options related specifically to Reels activity. You're looking for the SMS option, which controls text message alerts about Reels. Turn off or disable SMS for Reels. This stops those particular alerts from being delivered to your phone via text messages, while still allowing other notification channels like in-app push or email if you keep them enabled. If you'd like, you can take a moment to review other SMS settings for different features, just to keep your messaging preferences consistent across Facebook. It's a good habit to periodically check these so you're only getting notifications that matter to you. That's all there is to it. With a few quick taps, you've disabled SMS notifications for Reels on Facebook Web, keeping your phone free from Reel-related texts while you stay connected through the rest of Facebook's notification options.